Yes. My soundbite. I have lots of different soundbites. My one soundbite for Sell Yourself Without Selling Your Soul is I wrote this book for anybody who felt that they were bragging, begging, or whoring to get good publicity. And it doesn't need to be so. That you can stay in your integrity and spirit and still get great publicity. So that's one type of soundbite. But if you listen, I've been giving you soundbites the whole way through. Every story is a soundbite, a statistic is a soundbite, and you want to mix them up. And the reason why I focus on soundbites, you go, why is she talking about soundbites and not just getting media? And I'll tell you why. It's because it's the missing link. You can send out your press release or your pitch letter to the media. The reporter can come, or you can be on radio. And then what happens is when you get on radio or TV, what do you say? What do you say that's going to bring in the kind of business and people and connections and experiences that you want? That is the key, and that's the missing link. And that's what happened when I started. Well, I was first a publicist, which means I got you booked on media. And what I noticed is I got my clients booked in the New York Times, in the Wall Street Journal, in Vogue, Bazaar, and then they would get interviewed and they couldn't deliver, meaning they didn't say these fascinating things to get the people to go into the salon or to buy their services. And that's why it's so important.